Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have something pretty cool to show you guys today. This might be a little loud, so it's still a little glitchy, but it actually works. So I'm pretty proud of that. And Tech Specs was like, you should try to do this. You should make it so the tree falls away from you. So I'm like, alright. Yeah, I don't like how all the visual size of the entities kind of just explode at the end, but I guess it adds to the effect. And yeah, I'd like to actually thank Tex-Mex a lot for giving me this idea. So this adds a lot of interaction and I guess realism into it, if you want to call it that. So it doesn't randomly drop the items like the old Tree Capitator did, but I'll be working on that later. I'm gonna take a little break and then get back to it. I just think it's hilarious how well this works. It's kind of silly. It always falls away from you, by the way. Also, there's a new type of tree. It's we have the small one, which is the old one. I actually modified it a little bit so it looks a little nicer. But then we have big trees now. Took a little while to code this in raw text, basically, but I think it came out pretty nice looking, and it works for all trees. If you have trees together like this, unfortunately, it's going to act kind of weird. So you just have part of a tree missing. But it actively checks what nodes are actually there, so no matter what this looks like, it will always fall exactly how it looks. So if I just do this, then it'll fall like that. Also, it actively checks how many leaves are falling with the tree and how many nodes of tree are actually falling down, if that makes any sense. So it will give you the correct amount of items no matter what, and I think that's super cool. I don't know, let's just go cut down some more trees. I tried to make the sound match the animation perfectly, but if there's a little bit of server lag, then it'll start getting a little messed up, but it'll still work. I want to make it so when it basically I'm going to have that initial sound be a separate sound file from the actual like tree falling down, and I want to make it so that the top of the tree will check if there is something below it using a raycast, and once it's fallen down, so it can dynamically fall down. Um, if it falls against like a hill or something, it'll stop right where it is and do the like the little explosion animation. So I think it'll work really well when I get it fully implemented. Um, you can knock it down by hand too. Uh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it so trees are really difficult to knock down unless you have an axe, or if I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm in creative mode right now, so it's pretty much instant no matter what. But I don't know, there's a lot of experimentation I want to do with this to see what works and what doesn't, and just kind of go from there. So hopefully you guys like this. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.